What's up guys, it's your boy Al from Auto Hustle, bringing you another whip that I got this weekend from the auction. It's a 2003 Nissan 350Z and it only has 93,000 miles. Check this car out. So this is my 2003 Nissan 350Z, 93,562 miles, stick shift. Got some damage right here. When we go around the car, pretty much clean. The only thing on this car, if we go to the front of the car, we got some damage on this bumper. As you can see, got some damage there. I don't know if I'm gonna get that fixed, but then some scrape down here.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know, the return. If you are what you say you are.
What's up guys, it's your boy Al here with another whip for Auto Hustle. This is a 2005 Infiniti G35 with 113,000 miles. If you have any comments, please let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and share this video so I can bring more videos like this for you guys. So this is my 2005 Infiniti G35 and it only has 113,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission. It's a 3.5 liter with the V6 engine. As you can see, there's no body damage, so there's no body work needed for this car. The car does have current plates, which means there are no late fees at the DMV. It makes it much easier for the car to get registered with no extra fees involved. The interior is all fully leather There are no rips or cuts on the seats. The leather is in very good condition, knowing that the car is 13 years old.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know, the return. If you are what you say you are, a superstar.